Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to share with you the vintage chic collection by Pink Gellac. I've been sent this collection and it includes 7 new spring polishes, and I'm just going to swatch these and review these for you on some of my practice nails. So I am still wearing one of the Pink Gellac colors on my right hand, and my left hand is completely bare because I'm going to do another nail art tutorial on that later on. So here are the 7 colors in total, and I'm just going to show you these one by one. So first it's 237 Pearly Pink, then 238 Peachy Nude, then 239 Paradise Blue. Next up is 240 Salmon. Then we have 241 Mint Green. The next one is 242 Pastel Purple. And the last one is 243 Diamond Pink. So as I said, I'm going to swatch these on some of my practice nails just to show you the colors really up close. So first up, what I'm going to do with all the practice nails is just buffing it up so it has a little bit more of a texture, so the gel polish actually has something to stick on better. So I'm just using one of Pink Gellac's nail files for that as well. So just want to make sure there is no like dust on there or anything like that. You could even use like a wipe off solution to get rid of any oils or dust. And I'm going to apply a thin layer of the base gel polish as well, and you just want to cure that for just 15 seconds in the LED lamp. So just a thin layer is good enough, and make sure to screw on the caps onto the bottles again before you turn on the lights. So after that you have a good sticky base to apply your gel polishes to. So first up we're going to start with the Pearly Pink one, number 237. And as the color it already predicts, it is like a sweet soft pink color with a pearlescent finish. I really love polishes like these. The only downside to them is that they usually need a couple of layers instead of just 1 or 2. I applied 2 layers to all of the swatch nails, but I think on my natural nails I will need about 3 thin coats to make it completely opaque and to make sure that my natural tip isn't shining through. And you just want to cure each layer for a full minute in an LED lamp, or in a UV lamp you want to do 120 seconds. So here I'm just applying the second layer. I only showed that for this first nail, but I applied 2 layers to each of the practice nails for all the different colors in this collection. And you want to cure that second layer as well for a full minute in the LED lamp. And that is the first one. It is a really pretty, like cool toned color, and I like it. Then what I do, because I do swatch it on practice nails, I actually write down with like a CD or a DVD marker what color it is exactly. So that's just what you see me doing here. I did that for all the nails, as well as applying a decent layer of the glossy gel top coat. You don't have to over flood it or anything, just apply a thin layer that is good enough. And after you've applied that thin layer, you can just cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and you don't have to do anything else after that because it is a non-wipe glossy top coat. Then the second color is 238 Peachy Nude, and it is a super creamy neutral nude color. It has some of like a little bit of a warmer peachy undertone to it, but it is super creamy and just super nude, and I really like colors like these. I think they are wearable for any occasion. They're beautiful to wear to a wedding, even if you are a bride, for instance. I think that is a really beautiful color, and I think a lot of people with different skin tones will actually wear this beautifully. So I also applied 2 layers of that in total, curing each layer for a full minute. And that is what it looks like. It looks a little bit more light than the bottle, but on the cap itself the color is pretty the same. Then 239 Paradise Blue, which is actually kind of like a minty blue, but more towards the blue than the green side of the color scheme. It is a light blue creamy one, and it actually matches the color of my car really perfectly. It is like a mermaidy kinda blue color in my opinion. It is super creamy. I think this one is like a one coater on even my natural nails, even though my tips tend to shine through pretty easily with regular nail polish, but with gel polishes as well. But I think this one, with a good decent first layer, I think it will be perfectly opaque with just one coat. And it is just a beautiful spring-like, even suitable for summer as well. Then next up is 240, which is called Salmon. It is again a creamy gel polish. It is like a pastel orange peachy kind of tone, really warm in undertone as well. And this one is super opaque as well with just one coat. I think I need 2 really thin layers on my own natural nails, or just one good thicker layer. But do notice that when you work with thin layers, it cures more easily than when you would apply thick layers. So I would suggest just to apply 2 thin layers and just cure each layer for a full minute. Next up is another minty kind of color, which is 241 Mint Green. This one is a little bit more green than the Paradise Blue one, and it is actually really like true to color how it looks on the color on top of the cap of the polish. So again, it is a really creamy one. It is like a pastel-y mint. It actually is pretty bright, and I think this will look even more bright when your skin is a little bit more tan than my skin color is, because I'm just really pale and I don't tan easily either. But this one is really pretty. I think it is opaque in just 2 thin layers. Then we're almost done with this collection, but the one before the final one is 242 Pastel Purple, and I think this is one of my favorite colors in this collection. I just really love these pastel lilac kind of colors. They're kind of in between the purple and the pink, and that is just one of my favorite shades ever. This one is like fully opaque in 1 thicker layer or 2 thinner layers. Again, I would suggest just to apply 2 thin ones because it cures really quickly as well. And it is just a really creamy one, super opaque. And yeah, I love this color. I think this will look great on any skin color as well. And then the last one, I think this one really is my favorite of the collection, because you know me, I love my shimmers and my glitters, and it is 243 Diamond Pink. It is a really soft pink color which contains gold and silver, like really small glitters. It isn't like shimmer, but it's more of like a glittery kind of one without being really chunky. So it is like a shimmery glitter, or like, it's more of like a glittery shimmer. Let's just put it to that. It is a little bit thin, so I did apply 2 layers on this practice nail, but on my own natural nails I would apply it on top of another color, just 1 layer or 3 coats in total to make it completely opaque. It is a super gorgeous shade, and I love the glittery like shimmer in it. It is just stunning. I love it so much. I think it would look beautiful on the dynamic pink color I'm wearing on my right hand as well. But yeah, these were actually all the colors in this vintage chic collection. So there are 7 pastel shades for spring 2018, and I really love these shades. I think there are a lot of great shades to choose from, and that there is something anyone would really like in this collection. Of course, you don't have to get the entire collection, you can buy all colors separately. So my favorites definitely are the diamond pink and the pastel purple, but I really like the paradise blue as well. There are a lot of great shades in here. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.